Welcome to SimpleFX. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to register. On the SimpleFX.com website, in the middle of the page, there's an option to create an account. After entering your email, accepting the terms of use and privacy policy, and clicking Sign Up, you'll receive an email to confirm the creation of your account. Alternatively, in the top right corner, we can click Sign Up, which will take us to the trading page straight to the account creation window. Right next to it is the Login button. If we click it, this will also take us to the trading page where we can log in or click Sign Up below. Alternatively, the Sign Up and Login options can also be found again in the top right corner of the trading page. To register, we need to enter our email address along with a password and then confirm the password. We check the boxes for terms of use and privacy policy and then click the Sign Up button. We'll receive an email at the address we provided where we need to confirm the creation of our account. That's it. You're now registered.